Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create Netflix account in phone. Now the first thing you should do is to simply open your browser. Then once you open it, you'll have to search here for Netflix. Then once you search for it, you should now try to click on sign in right here. Then once you click on sign in, here you will have to click on sign up now. Then here it will show this page. Now you'll have to enter your email address. Then click on get started. Then click on next. And now here as you can see, it will show here this page. Now you'll have to add your password and type your email. Then click on next. Then it will show you here this page. Just click on next again. Then now we will have to choose the plan that you want to pay for. Now here in my case, I'll choose the basic one. Then click on next. And now you'll have to enter your payment options. So I'm gonna choose this payment option, for example. Now you'll have to enter your mobile number. Then once you click on the I agree button right here, you'll just have to click on start membership. And by this way, you will have an account on Netflix and you can watch anything that you want. And that is it.
And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.